really a unique product.
This is actually our flagship product. Full-Sol actually stands for Fuller Solution, and it is the solution to a lot of your problems. What it is an extraordinary, super concentrated, non-abrasive, all-purpose cleaner. And you can use them on any non-porous, washable surface. Now, that could be glass, ceramic, tile, sealed wood, enamel, all of your appliances. Countertops, anywhere where grease and grime accumulate.
Yeah.
And this is just the greatest thing you'll ever use.
Wow.
But let me show you how it works.
Okay.
Since we're cleaning up grease, I'm going to clean up some grease. This is moly graphite grease. I'm sure. Look in there.
I really don't know what moly graphite grease is. It looks kind of...
Yeah, mechanics use it. They put it on calipers, brake calipers, all of that. I'm going to put some on this mirror here just to show you how it works. I did half the mirror already just to save some time here, but we're going to smear a little bit on. Now, this could be that greasy film that gets on your appliances, refrigerator doors, all of your cabinets. Maybe that greasy mess that comes down on top of your refrigerator from the dusty smoke. Now, watch this. I've got a solution. We mix about 1 ounce of Full-Sol with a quart of water.
Okay.
Did you know that one of these bottles will make everything you see here? 32 quarts of all-purpose degreaser.
So this is a bottle that's going to last, again, one ounce to 1 quart of water. 1 ounce of cleaner to 1 quart of water.
Or you can use a full strength to really tough jobs as well. But watch this. Just to show you how this works, I'm going to take a cloth here, just with our solution, and I'm going to go right down the center of the mirror. And this is graphite grease I'm cleaning up. Now, look at this. I'm going to take a squeegee, and where we applied the Full-Sol, the grease is gone. Just look at that. Do you want me to hold that up just a little bit so maybe you can see it a little more?
Amazing.
There we go.
You can see it.
Where we applied the Full-Sol, the grease is gone.